Hello, and welcome. In this code walkthrough, we'll be exploring a simple implementation of a circular buffer in Python. Circular buffers are handy data structures used to efficiently manage a fixed size buffer of elements. Let's dive into the code. The circular buffer class is initialized with a specified capacity, creating an empty buffer to store elements. The read method allows us to retrieve and remove the oldest element from the buffer. If the buffer is empty, it raises a buffer empty exception. The write method adds data to the buffer. If the buffer is not full, the data is appended. Otherwise, it raises a buffer full exception. The overwrite method replaces the oldest element in the buffer with new data, but only if the buffer is already full. Lastly, the clear method empties the entire buffer. And there you have it. This simple circular buffer implementation provides basic operations for managing data in a cyclic manner. Feel free to use and expand upon this coding.